you guys, my name is Sunita. I hope you are all doing really well out there. This is my version of Yad Piya, Aane. I love this song so much. I am an instructor in New York City, so I'm going to teach this how I would teach a dance class. Obviously, this will be a much more condensed version because normally my classes are 55 minutes. I'm really excited. I know the last couple of weeks have been really tough with, all of what's going on in the world. So I just wanted to spread joy and happiness through dance, and that's really what I want to do. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's get on with it. Okay, you guys, so the first 8 count just looks like this. I'm going to do it first for you. Your left hand, this is my left, I'm going to just place it flat to the left side, straight out, with maybe a little bit of a bend in the elbow. And you're going to do a step touch to the right. So this is my right, and I'm going to do my best to just call out which direction I'm going in. From here, you're going to do a step touch, back, turn it around and clasp. Okay, that was the step. I'm going to break it down. So from here, again, left hand is out. You're going to step touch, starting with your right. Your hand is right here. Well, you're going to start right there, and I'm kind of doing like these like bunny ears right to the center of your chest, and you're going to do step touch back to your chest, and then you're going to do like a flutter, kind of like actually a wave. So wave, take that right foot, turn, pivot around, in. Okay? So let's do that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, class. 8. Okay? So let's go ahead and move on to the next 8. So the next step that we're going to do, and I'm going to just show it to you, is under your chest, kind of over your chest, shy, or maybe more like koi, and then that's the step, okay? So from here, I'm going to break it down. So you're ending up right here. You're just going to place that right hand right under your chest. This hand went to your left hip. So it's 1, 2, kind of like a figure 8. And then this is the koi step, 3. And this is my right hand, this is my left. You're kind of looking away. No, you're not looking away. You're looking at the camera, like kind of like shy, koi. And then she's saying, driving me crazy. So you're going to do kind of just like a around the world bit. You ended right here from the last 8 count, right? And so this is just music. So what you're going to do is you're going to step out to the right, in, and then out to the left, in. And doing this like fluttery thing. So let's do my feet first. It's just going to be my right foot, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the feet. And then when you add your arms, it is float up, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's keep moving. Yo. Next 8 count. All right, so the next 8 count, you're going to stick that hand, the left hand out, and it's kind of like just at a diagonal. And from here, you're going to do kind of like a chest down. So 1 and 2, cross that right hand over. And while I did that, my right leg shot out, okay? And then 3 and 4, kind of like you're saying shh, but not really. And then this left hand, you'll see, didn't come to my hip. It came right below my hip. And then you're going to do like this pickup step with your right. So you're doing a shh pickup step. And that's the 8 count. So let's try that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7. Don't do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Did that make sense? All right. Let's try from the beginning up until this point with the music. Let's see how it looks. ended up here on our last step, right? So this is pretty easy step. All you're gonna do here is you're gonna pretend like you're picking up your imaginary skirt, because I didn't wear a skirt in my dance video, but so you're gonna pick up that skirt and you're just gonna do like a walk to the diagonal right, okay? So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you're gonna do is you're doing that same pickup step starting on your right, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So that's basically the step, all right? So there's like 4 walks going diagonal to the diagonal right, and then 2 pickup steps kind of coming back, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, how are you guys doing? Are you tired? Tired a little bit?
Well, step it up. What else you gotta do? We're quarantined. Nothing else to do except learn this dance, okay? Yeah, you can do whatever you want. If you need to take a break, go get some water. No problem. You can pause this video if you want right now. You back? Great. All right. So let's go ahead with the next 8 count. Well, this is actually going to be a 16 count because you're going to do an 8 count on one side and then the same step on the other side. So we're here right now, okay? So we did that pickup step. We're here. And so now we're getting almost into the main verse. We're not just there yet. So you're going to do a step out to your right and chest up when you point, and you're pointing to that right side in, okay? And then the next thing that you're gonna do is almost like a cross with both hands. Both hands go behind your head, okay? And then your right hand comes across to your left shoulder. So it's 5, 6. So we're on 5, 6. And then from here, you're gonna go 7, 8. Okay, so that was the 8 count. I'm gonna go through that a little bit faster so you can see what it looks like. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the next thing that you're gonna do, same thing, the nice thing is same thing on the other side. 1, 2, cross, 4, okay? And then it's 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that was 16 count. Let's keep going. This next step is very easy. It is just 4 steps up, and then it's forehead, eye, chin. All right, so let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, cool. Okay, you got that? Easy. So let's just go on to the next step. So we ended right here, right? This is where we ended. And the next one isn't really a true 8 count, but I am forcing it into an 8 count, so it's gonna be a little bit awkward. So from here, you're gonna do this diagonal up towards the left side. Palms are open, so you're gonna go open and close. And then you're going to do here. So your right hand is coming up to your forehead. You're coming towards the audience. And then you're bringing that right hand that's on your forehead to your chest to the back. I'm sure you can't really see that in the video, but it's just right here on my, not on my chest, I'm sorry, my left shoulder, okay? So left shoulder, and then you're almost gonna do a, or just bringing both arms very big in a circle. You're doing a shake, shake, shake. Left hand is on the back of my head. My right hand is on my hip. And I did that shake, shake, shake. And then you're going to turn. And that's the step, all right? I'm going to show you that a little bit faster, just so you can put it all together. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to feel me. You feel me. Yeah. I feel it. That was the step. guys, so you are, sorry, I'm going to try to stand as far back as I can so you can see my feet. So this is where you ended. All you're going to do here is you're going to step out to your right side and swing your arms out. So out, step out, in, cross your hands. Same thing on the other side. Out, out, in, and then that was on the left side. Now you're going to go towards the front. Front, with your right foot, in, back, in. Okay? So that's pretty much the step. Alright? That's the next beat count. So I'll show it to you a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. That's like a very mainstream kind of stuff. Actually, I thought of it in my own head. It's a Sunita original. Now let's just go straight on to the ending finale, all right? So what did we do? We're kind of like right here. And the next thing that we're gonna do is I have to throw in a little bit of more classical because like that's what I know. So from here, you're gonna go out, straight arms, and here you're on the balls of your feet. Out and in, out, straight out, and in. When I say in, I'm right here at the center of my chest, and you kind of have it in a triangle situation, all right? But from here, it's both arms straight out, out, in, and then last step here, all you're doing, it goes a little bit fast here, so it's 5 and 6 and 7. I don't actually know if that's the count, but this is the end, all right? So let's try that whole last bit from the swinging step to the classical step. Well, that whole thing towards the end, a little bit faster now. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. And do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. But that's kind of the end. Let's go ahead from the beginning to the very end of this, and let's just see how you guys do. And I will see you towards the end, all right?
Biggie, biggie.